Hi, I'm Bethan. Welcome to Videojug, and this is skating in 5 easy steps.
Lemons are also known as sculling and are a good way to learn to feel and use the edges of your skates and develop your skating technique. They're also really easy to do. The move can be done forwards and backwards. You're aiming to create a symmetrical pattern on the ice.
So here's how to do it in 5 easy steps.
Step 1. Start with your feet in a V shape and arms outstretched. Step 2. Bend your knees and move forward in the lemon shape, slightly wider than your shoulders on the inside edges of both skates. Step 3. When your feet are parallel, straighten your legs. Step 4. Point your toes inwards. This will bring your feet back together and your toes touching. Step 5. Repeat the move and try doing it backwards.
So here's a few tips to help you and a few things to avoid.
Spread your weight evenly over both feet. Your hips should face forwards throughout the move. Don't forget to bend your knees deeply. Don't lean forwards. Keep your back straight.
And here are those key steps one more time.
Your feet should be in a V position. Bend your knees. Keep the pressure on the inside edge. When your feet are parallel, straighten your legs. Point your toes inwards until they touch.
So now it's up to you to try it out, practice it, and have fun adding it to your ice skating moves and techniques. And if you enjoyed this, follow us on Videojug's YouTube channel for more skating in 5 easy steps.